Welcome back, my friends. Today I want to show you how I'm gonna redesign this customer's dress, and I want to show you at the same time how to do it so you can be creative and redesign any dress you wanted. So let's see first the dress before. This is our first fitting on a picture, as you see, where we discussed what we want to change on the dress. She brought her own lace and she wanted me to add to the slit as well. We're gonna adjust shoulders and add in the front to cover a little bit of the front side. Now what we're gonna do is to open the slit. As you see, I have to remove the top stitch and the stitch also.
So here
This
I
is
put
our
the
lace.
fabric right
As you
here.
see, have a very nice embroidered edge, so I'll make sure to cut the triangle the length of the slit. The lace have to be sewn between the basic fabric chiffon and the lining. Now let's adjust the shoulders. I'll make sure exactly how much I need to take it in, and then I can remove the safety pin and open the sleeve. As you see, the sleeve have a nice ribbon, so we have to remove it first. We also gonna remove all the top stitches that we don't need, exactly same amount how much we need to take it in. I'll measure one more time to make sure exactly how much I need to take it in, and then I will start taking in the basic fabric and then the lining. I'll make sure to mark the center of the sleeve to match the shoulder line, and at the same time I will mark the seam line in the back side. We're gonna need it for the new created sleeves. And now we can remove all the sleeve around. We will keep this bias because we're gonna need it to sew it back. Now back to the shoulder. One more time, make sure you measure and take in the shoulders. After you did the new stitch of the shoulder, we will have to open the old seam as well. You can use the seam ripper, or if you have experience, you can use the razor blade. After opening the seam, I will make stitches as you see on a chiffon because it keeps the layers together and more flat. And then I will cut the extra fabric that we don't need. I usually leave at least 3/4 because in case if the customer want to let it out, I do have extra allowance to open it. Alright, now we have to take in the lining and we'll do exactly the same. We'll measure half with how much we need to take it in, mark, and sew. So this
I
is kind
drew
of
a
what
couple
design we
ideas
want
for
to
her,
make.
but she
So
chose
this is
this
why
one. So
I
we're
need
gonna
to
create this
make
design
wider here,
from
and
her
then
old
the cup
sleeves,
have to
and
be
I will show
one
you
on top
how.
of each other.
This is our old sleeve from the dress. We're gonna fold it and measure exactly the length that she wanted to, and then we can cut it. I will also cut at the seam and also will cut in half, and you will see why. I'll make sure to put F as front part and B for back part, so I'm not gonna confuse them. And next we can start to create our new sleeve.
So I cut
So
the
as you
sleeves
see,
into
this is
half.
our
This is
front
front
and
part and
back.
this is
And first what
back
I'm
side.
doing, I am drawing some lines. So this is our lines, and now we have to cut it, but not all the way, just kind of like leave 1/4 up. After we cut the lines, we're gonna place it on the lace, and then we're gonna create our new sleeve. At the same line on upper part line of the sleeve, we're gonna add 1.5 inches because we want to be the lace over. So let's create and also mark the B as a back part, and we'll create same thing for the front part.
So now
To make it
I
easy
just
for the second
place the
sleeve, I'm
sleeve
just
on
placing the
top,
lace
so we
on
can get
top
the
of
second
the
piece
other,
of the
make sure
back
it's
part
face
and
to
then the
face,
front side as well.
and I'll cut it around. And then I'm gonna pin it on a dress just to make sure I do love the sleeve the way it's made, or I have to make another one. So far I do love it and I'm happy. Now I'm gonna start working on the front part. Because of the design of the dress, the V is too low, so we want to redesign it and make it a little higher, and at the same time we're gonna add some flower from the lace, and we'll make in the way like the dress was made like that. I cut some leaves and some flowers. She did said I want more pink flowers than orange because the dress is made for the waiting for the spring. So she wanted to look more like spring. So that's what we did. After I cut some embroidered flowers, I was starting to play and place them everywhere on the neckline to make sure which way will be nicer to look, and then we will be able to sew them by hand. After finishing sewing, I will press it a little bit to make sure it's flat and nice. So after the sleeve is done, I will attach the sleeve to the dress all the way around, and I will sew with a big stitch first, and then I will place the ribbon that we removed back. And here is our final look of the dress. I am so excited for her to come try on and see what she thinks. The sleeves I think came out very nicely, and I think she matched pretty much a good lace for this dress. Now I am ready for her to come and try it on. So this is our final fitting. She was so excited because the dress looks so different and unique. And if you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will inspire you a lot.